Hey everyone! Ever scrolled through your phone and stumbled upon a sweet deal only to realize it requires FavePay? Maybe you're a seasoned FavePay user, or perhaps you're curious about this trendy payment option. One thing's for sure, understanding those sneaky transaction fees is key. So, before you whip out your phone and hit pay, let's crack open the world of FavePay fees and see if they're friend or foe to your wallet. Hold on, what exactly is FavePay? Great question. Imagine a super convenient e-wallet that lets you pay for stuff online and in stores. Plus, you can score sweet cashback rewards on purchases. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, that's FavePay in a nutshell. But here's the thing, FavePay, like most payment apps, isn't completely free. There are these little critters called transaction fees that can nibble away at your hard-earned cash. So, how much are these pesky fees? Now we're getting down to business. Here's the surprising part, the transaction fee actually depends on which payment method you use with FavePay. FavePay's favorite. If you use a debit card, online banking, or another e-wallet linked to FavePay, you're charged a standard 1.79% fee per transaction. That might not seem like much at first glance, but those small percentages can add up over time, especially if you're a frequent FavePay user. The American Express exception. Now, for those of you rocking an American Express card with FavePay, brace yourselves for a slightly higher fee. FavePay charges a steeper 2.39% for every transaction using Amex. Ouch! Breaking down the fee. Let's say you're treating yourself to a delicious bubble tea that costs $10. Using a regular debit card with FavePay, you'd be charged a fee of around 18 cents, that's 1.79% of $10. Doesn't seem too bad, right? But if you used your Amex, that fee jumps to 24 cents, ouch again. Wait, there's more? Unfortunately, that might not be the whole story. Remember those cashback rewards we mentioned earlier? While they sound fantastic, there's a chance you might get hit with additional fees depending on the specific cashback offer. So, is FavePay all doom and gloom? Definitely not. The convenience factor of FavePay is undeniable, especially with the growing number of merchants accepting it. Plus, those cashback rewards can be a real money saver, especially on larger purchases. Here's the key takeaway. Before you hit pay with FavePay, take a quick moment to consider the transaction fee and weigh it against the potential cashback benefits. If you're a casual user who only makes occasional purchases, the fees might be negligible. However, if you're a frequent FavePay user, it might be worth exploring alternative payment methods with lower fees. The final verdict. FavePay can be a friend to your wallet, especially if you take advantage of cashback rewards and use it strategically. But those transaction fees can be a sneaky foe. So, be mindful of them before you pay. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.